Hi and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting recipe of stuffed brinjals or badanekai yennegai straight from my mom's kitchen. It's a flavorful dish made with stuffed brinjals and a blend of aromatic spices. This yennegai is prepared in many ways. One I'm showing is my mom's own recipe. So let's get started and learn how to make this mouth-watering dish from my mom. Here 12 long variety purple brinjals are taken. These are fresh from my mom's home garden. We'll start by washing the brinjals and removing their stems. Make 6 to 8 deep incisions like shown in the video, carefully not cutting their ends. This will allow us to stuff the masala inside. Next, we'll prepare our stuffing. For that, we'll heat up a pan over medium heat, add 2 teaspoons of urad dal, 2 tablespoons of chana dal, oil, 8 badki red chilies and roast them until the dals turn a lovely golden brown. 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds can be added and it's optional. To this, add 3 tablespoons of coriander, 1 tablespoon of cumin and some curry leaves and roast them for a minute or so. Cool this mixture and then transfer it to a mixer jar. To this, add 1 full coconut grated, salt to taste, half lemon sized tamarind, 3 tablespoons of jaggery and grind them finely with little water. A stuffing masala is ready. Now let's stuff the brinjals with our delicious fillings. Make sure to fill in each incision. Next, heat some oil in a pan and gently place the stuffed brinjals. Cover the pan and let them cook on low heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 to 12 minutes, carefully flip the brinjals to cook the other side and drizzle a little oil on top. Cover the pan again and let them cook for another 10 to 12 minutes. Repeat until all sides are nicely tender. Normally for ennegai, a gravy is prepared. Here, we are not preparing any gravy. This is it. There you have it. Our mouth-watering brinjal ennegai is ready to be enjoyed. This goes well with rasam rice or curd rice and even chapati. And finally, do give this recipe a try and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more delightful recipes.